Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll discuss to you all about everything that needs to be discussed. So pretty much what we need to go over all in all is the fact that I created a MERN Stack app called Bookstore MERN. That's pretty much the app that I created. So it's pretty much an app where I created a bookstore that pretty much stores all types of books, so on and so forth. So that's pretty much like my app, right? So that's what I'm dealing with. So yeah, and before I begin, my navigator is by the name of like Ernest. So Ernest, hello man, how you doing? I'm doing good myself, Ernest man. Yeah, I'm doing good. South Coast treating me nicely. So yeah, so that's what I have. So obviously the books library is pretty much similar to what Ernest had. So it's a library in which you have a table, then you have your cards. So you pretty much create a book, and then you store the book. Then you store the book, inside your app. Let's say, for example, yeah, then you store the book in your app. So you've got the number, the hierarchy of the book that was created, the number, then the title, which is called The Reckoning, and the author, which is Gabin Dlini, my name, year 2026, actions, info, edit, and delete. So this is pretty much like the CRUD functionality that we've been going over all along. So yeah, that's the CRUD functionality that we've been dealing with. And then yeah, that's pretty much what we have. So yeah, so as you can see here, I got multiple books. Yes, some have been repetitive because I created a video before, but gave me problems, with my screen share. So yeah, let's test out the info. So obviously the reading part of it shows you the ID of the book, then title The Reckoning, and then author Gabriel Avendlini, published year 2026, create time Wednesday, Jan 28, 2026, um, for 4 minutes to 8, GMT +2, South African Standard Time, last update time Thursday, Jan 2026, so on and so forth. So this is pretty much the info like for my book. Pretty much, and also showed the last update time as well. So yeah, that's pretty much last update time Thursday, Jan, so on and so forth. Come on, and then my edit. I can pretty much edit my book here. So I go back to bookstore, right? So my book's name's bookstore. Okay. Oh no, bookstore. Uh, Cabello's Romano Diaries. Author 2026. Oh, year 2026. Author Cavellini, Cabello's Diaries, and then save, and then just wait. I'm doing now. Then book edited successfully. Then Cabello's Diaries. Then you see the ID for last updated Feb 21st, 2026, before ship for my birthday. Let's see ST, create time, Saturday, so on and so forth. Then yeah, and then if I wanted, let's say I want to delete a book, I can delete it. Are you sure you want to delete? Press yes, delete it. Then book delete successfully. So I got one less book now. I had eight, now I got I had nine, now I got eight. Then bookstore, show it one delete successfully, and then bookstore navigation, yes, delete. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we had. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much what we had. You know what I mean? So yeah, and then yeah, and then yeah, that's pretty much. And then just so I can actually let me just share my screen now. So yeah, let me just share my screen. And as you can see here, obviously I deleted everything. So go to cards, table, so on and so forth. And then as you can see here, let's say at night, when you try and prevent, light glare, you can set to dark mode, like what you have in your phone. And then, during the day, obviously because dark like it is now, which irritates your eyes, you set to light mode, and then yeah. So that's pretty much what you're dealing with there. Then your ID, then yeah, ID, last updates, Feb 21st, 2026, GMT +2, South African time, create time, sign time, publish year 26, governor's diaries, so on and so forth. Then yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. And then then yeah, the delete. Obviously, if you want to delete it, are you sure you want to delete this book? Yes, delete it. Press delete. Then yeah, that's pretty much what we're dealing with. Then yeah, nothing less, nothing more. Just me showing me the MERN stack. Yeah, Ernest. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. What is what? Oh no, I wasn't saying anything. I was just agreeing with you. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. Yeah. Then try and debug it. If that's necessary. Okay. Then yeah.